Hello! In this video, we will show you how to descale your NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Lumio. We recommend descaling Lumio every 3 months, or if you see that the indicator light turns orange. You can buy the NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Durgal Descaling Kit on our web shop. Pour the full bottle of descaling solution into 500 milliliters of drinking water. Make sure the water tank is empty. Pour the descaling solution into the water tank and reinsert it. Remove the capsule holder. Take the rinsing tool. It helps drive the water flow during the descaling process. If you don't have it, don't worry, you can still descale your Lumio. Reinsert the capsule holder. Push down the locking handle. Use a container to collect the water. Make sure that the machine is off. Move the lever to the hot position and hold it there at least 10 seconds until it blinks green and orange. The machine will automatically select the 7th bar. Move the lever to the hot position. For about 2 minutes, the water flow will start and stop. You'll see the bar progressively going from 7 to 5 as the machine is descaling. Then the lever automatically returns to the stop position. Now move it to the cold position. This time you'll notice the flow is continuous. The bars progressively go from 5 to 4. Once again, the lever automatically returns to the stop position. For maximum descaling effect, wait for 2 minutes. When the 4th bar reappears, you can start the rinsing. Empty the container and put it back. Rinse the water tank with drinking water. Then refill it with drinking water and reinsert it. Move the lever to the hot position. Wait until the water stops. The lever automatically returns to the stop position. Empty the container and put it back. Refill the water tank again and reinsert it. Now move the lever to the cold position. Once again, wait until the lever automatically returns to the stop position. At the end of the rinsing process, the indicator light is green. Remove and empty the container. Remove the rinsing tool and keep it for future use. Dry the inside of the head with a soft cloth. Rinse the capsule holder with drinking water. Dry the capsule holder and reinsert it. Thank you for watching. Now you can enjoy making great coffees with your Lumio.